Now class third C. We are studying class third C. Class third C. JSC date 28/10/2020, and in this today we are going to study once again worksheet 15. So lesson 5, lesson 5th, the human body. The human body, and worksheet 5th we are studying worksheet 5th, and in this we have studied fill the blanks, take the right answer. Now today name the following. C, we have to say C. Name the following. Name the following. So you see page number 33. So first question, we have to see a group of cells that work together. We use a term. So you have to tell a group of cells that work together. What we say? These are called as a tissue. A group of cells that work together called as a tissue. First is tissue. That is a group of cells that work together is called as a tissue. Now see next. It gives shape and support to the body. It gives shape and support to the body. Support to our body. If we remove out the skeleton, out the bones, then what will happen? There will be no proper shape of our the body. So here one system is there, and which give shape and support to our body. That is called the skeletal system. Second, skeletal system. Skeletal system. So skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Now next, a sac-like organ where the food get mixed with the digestive juices. So once again listen, a sac-like organ where the food get mixed with the digestive juices. What is the name of that organ? That is stomach. That organ is stomach. Third, stomach. That organ is stomach. That is a sac-like structure, and where the food get mixed with digestive juices. Now next, the heart pumps these two different parts of our body. Fourth, you see, the heart pumps these two different parts of our body. Which thing is pumped by the blood, pumped by the heart? That substance is called the blood. Blood is pumped by heart to different parts of our body. So here 4, I have to write the blood. Fourth is blood. Now see fifth. Undigested food is thrown out through this. Now see fifth. Undigested food is thrown out through this. Which structure is there? Which system is there? That is the excretory system. That is the excretory system through which helps to throw out the undigested food. Actually, that undigested food, that is the excreted that is enough. That is excreted. The next excreted system. Excretory system. The undigested food is thrown out through this. So one here you can write here NS also, because undigested food is thrown out through this, that you can write as the NS. It is better to write about the NS if written the excretory system. It is also correct, but if you write as the NS by the NS, that is the undigested food is thrown out through the NS. So here you can write as the NS. That is the excretory system. So now next, answer the following. The questions are there. That is the answer the following. Now, what is digestion? Now, D first. What is digestion? Draw a labeled diagram of digestive system. What is digestion? Draw a labeled diagram of digestive system. So you know that what is digestion? The process by which complex food is broken down into smallest usable form is called as the digestion. And draw a level diagram of digestive system. So this diagram is given in page number 30. I think you have draw this diagram. So make more practice for making the diagram of digestive system. All the diagram what are given in the book, mainly in this chapter, you have to make the practice for the breathing system, digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, and the excretory system. Now next is, what are the parts of breathing system? So what are the parts of breathing system? So you know that the part of the breathing system, that is consists of nose, lungs, nose, windpipe, lungs. These makes our the breathing system which perform the process of the breathing. Now next question. Now next question we have to see. Now what are the functions of skeletal system? What are the function of skeletal system? So skeletal system protect our body and provides a shape to our body. So you make revision continuously. Next time we can study once more remaining questions of this lesson, or we can start the revision of the next lesson. Thank you. That's for today.